暴れる. We use this when a child cries and flails around, or when a drunk person makes a scene. 暴れる。子供が泣いて手足を大きく動かすときや、酔った人が騒ぐときに使います。It is an intransitive rue verb, 一段. 暴れる means to move or behave violently, like to rampage or struggle, often with wild body movement or loss of control. 力いっぱい乱暴に動くことです。人や動物が手足を振り回したり、物を壊しそうにしたりする感じです。The only kanji means violent force and sudden outburst. You see it in 暴力 and 暴走. It often carries a rough, out-of-control feeling. Think of power bursting out all at once. The child cried and became violent. 子供が泣いて暴れました。子供が泣いて暴れました。The horse suddenly became violent. 馬が急に暴れた。馬が急に暴れた。My brother got drunk and caused a disturbance in the store. 兄は酔って店で暴れました。兄は酔って店で暴れました。My dog got violent after getting the injection. 犬が注射で暴れました。犬が注射で暴れました。The most common synonyms of the word are 荒れる and 騒ぐ. 荒れる overlaps when things get rough or wild, and 騒ぐ overlaps when people make loud, restless noise. 暴れる is stronger and more physical, with wilder movement. The most common antonyms of the word are 落ち着く and 静まる. These show calming or quieting down, the opposite of wild, out-of-control movement in 暴れる.